Hello, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video is how to use Instagram shopping to sell your products. Instagram shopping lets you create an engaging shopping experience directly from your profile. Every day, millions of Instagram users explore their field looking to buy things they love. Here are some of the tips. First is find the right niche and build your following. Every great business strategy starts with narrowing and defining your niche. A niche is a specific set of people or business who are looking to buy a particular product or service. That's where you come in. So know your audience. Next is get an Instagram business profile. Getting an Instagram business profile is free and lets you manage your brand's presence online store. You'll also get access to insights, sponsored posts, ads, special posts, quick replies, branded content, links to Instagram stories, and more. Third is set up an Instagram shop. So you've established your online presence and following, you're eligible for Instagram shopping, and you've switched to business account. So well done. Now, you're ready to open up a shop. Next is create shoppable posts. Shoppable posts are regular feed posts, reels, or stories that include product tags. These tags shows users the price, product name, and let them add it to their cart or go to your website to buy. Users can tap on tags to view more about your product and services too. Create a regular post too. Next is get on the explore page. You can also try go live shopping. Last is use Instagram checkout. So that's it. If you have any questions, kindly put it on the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.